Now, wait, what you do is this. I'm gonna book over the money. It's Saturday. Oh, a car. People are leaving here. It's dark here. Still at work. Look. Now, what you do? I'm gonna book over 300 euros. I think that's enough for the freezer. You install it at home. You turn it on. Maybe on Saturday already. After that, you have to think. You're gonna buy meat and cut it up in small pieces. You buy bags, you bag it up. Then Sunday, when you do that on Sunday with the meat, you put it in the freezer. Now, sausages, meat, all kinds of stuff. Fill up that freezer. You can buy ice, make ice cream, stuff like that. That you can start to be busy, that you don't feel lonely and bored and stuff like that. Because every time you start to cry, I start to cry. And I can't change anything about it. Only to give you a job, that you have to do something. Maybe you have ideas, throw the freezer too, do it. I'm gonna make sure that you have enough money to do it, to start a business there. Love you, I'm at my work, look. See? We are working with that truck. The big one, the red one. Now, you see it? Then I'm still here. Love you.